wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best dog camera mounts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The Sony aka-D M1 is built specifically for the Sony Action Cam, but it's also possible to attach other makes and models using the appropriate adapter. The square buckles are rather abrasive though when clipped to a dog's underside, so they need some additional padding. It comes with highly visible yellow accents and fits dogs weighing over 33 pounds. However, the material gets hot in the sun. At number 5, available at an extremely affordable price, the Vivitar Pro series is compatible with both GoPro and all other types of action cameras. Additionally, it features a sturdy and reliable mounting deck that comfortably hugs a dog's back. It does emit a pretty strong odor initially though. It's a very durable construction with elastic straps that are easy to adjust, but it slides around a bit when puppy runs. Coming in at number 4 on our list. Despite its rather minimalistic appearance, the kurgo harness is still quite a functional accessory for outdoor adventures. Boasting a convenient overhead design, 5 points of adjustment, and a broad padded chest plate, it easily contours to the shape of a canine's body. It's an extremely lightweight design that's available in 4 sizes. However, it's hard to mount a camera on the back. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog camera mounts, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. Get ready to experience the next hunting expedition from a whole new point of view when your dog scouts ahead on the trail wearing the xventure twistx 360. It's universally compatible with the GoPro Hero line and any action cam with a standard 1¼ inch camera thread. It offers 360 degrees of rotation and is great for over-the-head action shots. It's conveniently machine washable too. At number 2, whether a puppy loves the thrill of a chase or he just wants to get his paws dirty, record every moment of his fun from virtually any angle by fitting him with the Hapy harness. Its foam-padded elastic strap is both hypoallergenic and super gentle on his coat and skin. It comes with a J-hook for extra security, 4 extra long thumb screws, and a storage pouch. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the GoPro Fetch is equipped with mounting locations on both the back and chest to provide you with various angles of view as Fido roams. It's padded at all adjustment points for superior comfort, while the front plate can be removed to accommodate small pooches. This one's water and mud friendly with quick release bases. It's compatible with all Hero models. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog camera mounts, or simply click beneath this video.